Hold on. Just hold on. Almost. Okay, so LD Aton su hermano MF Tata before Elian say bid goodbye to us, no? Yung pwede pala, he was able to come up with this sport fest. So which is Ara, we're going to award Conel di aton champion, di aton first, second, and third. I know. Second, third, and fourth. Okay, may I call on Aki Anda Adelante to help. Okay, GS Ronda, BP 76, GMF Aris, and RD Huds. Okay. Okay, the fourth place for the basketball selection for the basketball goes to the selection chapter. Any representative? Selection chapter? Okay, Under Joel, kindly receive. Okay, Mbakali, the selection chapter.
Under Joel lang.
Founder Tabor. Ay, pang. Okay. Please receive the award. Okay, again, this is from the basketball. So, fourth place goes to the selection chapter.
Dalawang bagsak!
Selection.
Maluyaya kayo!
Atubang, para kiyaki, atubang.
Okay.
Lagi, atubang.
Okay, please front.
Atubang kayo, dali nila.
Okay. Wala ba tayo mga kamay dyan? Okay. Okay, pati pa daw. Okay, congratulations. The selection chapter. Okay, next. Third place goes to the Ayala chapter.
Wala isa man.
Founder Jeff and President Press Judo. Okay. Ayala. Pwede anda ki adelante.
Sis.
Okay, congratulations.
Ay na po. Sila nila.
Ayala, para siya picture taking. Sinta, bago daw.
Pinduta lang ng puti oh.
Once in a lifetime lang siya picture. Okay, congratulations. Okay, next we have the second place goes to the Motridas chapter. Motridas chapter. Where are the Motridas? On the outside of the street. Todo Motridas.
Todo.
When galis na sila ng basketball. No? Okay, congratulations. Okay. So, continua lang sa siyempre Elegacia, right? Okay. Kasi ba, what did I say? The undefeatable, baste? Undefeatable. Okay. First place and the champion. The Universal Chapter! Yay! Lagi naman mga Universal Chapter. Universe ganagap, no? Grabe man. And Pretty Boy de Ayala, the Universal, only amang kel. Daniki. Pretty Boy, the assassin.
Okay, naulaw, las demás. Naulaw, okay, wala man to. Sibuk pa.
Jockey.
Bro, sibuk pa bro.
Stay present.
Dia was tunga. Kara. Wow.
Congratulations. Hopefully next year. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, okay, thank you.